deconstruct as she gets old. She put up defensive shields to walk through all of life's minefields. All defined by makeup and a car behind she's hiding. Father, do you have to go? Left me questions I don't know any answer or even close. The lifetime lie was true. She's gonna move on with her life and take it one heart at a time. And watch the little girl inside her way behind as she moves on. But with this black heart she decides she'll take it and shove aside until the day she sees that everyone has gone. Getting used to people leaving, thinking true love is deceiving. So she'll know how lonely it can be. Now was it really worth the pain? A couple pills make her feel sane as she lives out the story written for the part she is to play. With so much shame for her to hide, there's no more dignity, no pride, and there will only be dark in her light of day. And she will only see a reflection of her father's rejection. Nothing will change until she breaks this life, this life-size mirror.
¿Está bien?